Downloading the app was easy. Now let's make you a trading pro. Here's how to get started with Edelweiss mobile trading app. Open the app and click on T button from the bottom menu or anywhere else you see it on the app. If you're already logged in, you will be navigated to the order form. Else, you need to log in using your user ID, password and 2FA. Select the asset class you want to trade in. Simply type the stock name on the search bar. Click on the script to navigate to the order form. View live prices of the stock on the page as well. You can click on 3 dots to navigate to Snapcode, charts or add it to the watch list. You can view the market depth and get the open, high, low and previous close price of the script here. Select buy or sell. Enter the quantity you wish to trade. Let us now understand these product types in details. Select the product type from among cover order, delivery, intraday, margin trading, delivery plus or normal. Cover order is a product type which offers leverage up to 20 times against cash as well as stock holdings. With this product, placing of stop loss order is mandatory in order to limit your losses in case of adverse scenario. The transaction needs to be squared off on the same day. Delivery is a product type where you will need to pay 100% of the stock value to trade with the intention to get delivery of shares in your demat account. An intraday order or MIS is a product type that offers leverage up to 6 times against cash as well as stock holdings. With intraday product, the transaction needs to be squared off on the same day. MTF or margin trading is a product type which offers leverage up to 4 times against the cash as well as the stock holdings with a longer holding period up to 320 days subject to maintenance of minimum margins. Delivery Plus is a product type which offers leverage up to 4 times against cash as well as the stock holdings. Now select the order type from among limit, market, stop loss market. Select limit if you want your order to get executed at a specified price. Select market if you want the order to be executed at the current market price. Select stop loss if you would like to limit your loss on a position. You need to enter a trigger price at which the stop loss order will be activated. Enter the limit price if you had selected limit as the order type. There are some optional fields as well. Tap on optional fields to enter the disclosed quantity and validity. Choose the validity from among IOC and day. Now click on order status to view the status of your order. Here you will get all the details of the order placed along with their statuses. Tap on individual order to view all details including the status. You will find the rejection reason at the bottom of the order if rejected. And if the order is in open state, you may modify or cancel your order from here. Whereas all the orders are executed for the day in the trade book. You can access the order status page from the right hand side menu. All the places you can trade from. You can also trade from the T button besides the script on the stock quote page. In the watch list as well, tap on T beside the script name to trade. Tap on markets on the home screen or swipe right from the left hand side or tap on the top left corner and tap on T beside the script name to trade. Wherever you are in the app, just tap on T beside any script name to start trading. Want to write back to us? Just tap on the top left corner or swipe right from the left hand side and tap on send feedback. And don't forget to rate us. Now that was simple. You are now trade ready with the EMT app. Still don't have the app? Download it now from Play Store, App Store.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.